Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can install integrated graphics card from your CPU. If you have Intel or AMD, there's a high chance that you have integrated GPU, and it's really good to have it installed because it can improve the overall system performance and in video editing and on recording your screen. Like for example, you record only with integrated, so you don't use the GPU with the external GPU that you use for gaming or video editing or something else, so you make a lighter work on the extended GPU. So let's get started. So how you can install it is the first thing that you have to do is to go to any browser that you use and go to Google or other engines, search engines, and we're gonna search for our CPU. Now if you don't know your CPU name of your PC, so all you have to do, if you don't know the CPU, go to start and we're gonna type in this PC and we're gonna go on this PC here, and then we're gonna right click somewhere here on this PC and click on properties, and here you should see your Intel Core i5 or whichever processor do you have right here. This is the i5-3570. So I'm gonna close right now. So now we go again to Google. Since we know the CPU, we just type in our CPU name, brand of the CPU, and after you install the CPU name here, you just type in graphics driver and we press an enter. And here you should see more links to this. Make sure you download from official site. Don't download from the third websites, you know, like this or this. I'm not saying that they are not good, but I don't know what's there, and it's the best to download from the M Plus is the latest version for a processor. And I'm just gonna click on my processor. As you can see, I have 3-4 links here. So I'm gonna go on the first one, and here you can see automatically it's on downloads. If for example it's here, make sure you see something like downloads or something like that. And now if you scroll down here, you will see for Windows XP and Windows, this is Windows 7, 32-bit, 64, and if you scroll down you will see even more details. Here Windows 10, 32-bit and Windows 10, 64. If for example your CPU is not here listed, you can go here on view downloads options, and here again you're on the same setup here to download, but here you will have, if you scroll all the way down, you will have this downloads is valid for products list below, and here you will see all the CPUs that are supported by this driver. So if you see your CPU is here in this list, then it means that it works and it should be working. Now you can download it from here, or you can just download it from here. If you don't have, I'm just showing you if you don't have this. So I need for Windows 10 64, and we just click here on download. After, you make sure you download it for your Intel processor right here. For the right processor, make sure it says the name is correctly and speed is the correct and the cache is the correct one. And now after the file downloaded, we just click on it and run it, and it should start the process of installing the driver. Here we just click on yes if it asks for admin permissions, and it should see this setup here. Now if this setup doesn't appear and it says the minimum is required, minimum requirements or something like that, if that doesn't work, but you know it's for sure that the GPU is for this driver you need for your CPU is the correct one, make sure you first go to BIOS. So how do you enter in BIOS? Just go restart your PC, and it can be delete F1, F2 or F10, F11. Every motherboard is different, so you have to know. You will see when you boot your PC, you will see the key you have to press, and after you press you will see something like, for my motherboard is enable multi-monitor iGPU, and that's for ASRock. Some other brands but it's not always the same. Somewhere they say enable iGPU, somewhere say enable multi-monitor, some say, you know, every motherboard is different, so you have to see for a motherboard. And after you've done that, you have to enable it, because if you don't enable it, it will say that you don't have the minimum requirements for the graphics driver to install. So that's what I just wanna warn you, if you downloaded the correct driver but doesn't want to install. So after that, we click on next, and we click here on yes, click on next, and it should start to install the driver. Now after the graphics driver has been installed, we just click on next, and you have to restart your PC now to apply the driver. So that's pretty much it, how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like to the video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.